How to delete Roblox chat messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, at the bottom, click on Chats. Then, click on gear icon at the top of the chat. After you've clicked on Chat Details, simply click on the person you want to delete message with and click on View Profile. After you've done that, you can remove connection. Simply click on Remove Connection in here, which is beside chat. Then click on three dots. After you click on three dots, click on Block User. Then click on Block. This is the only one way to delete Roblox chat messages, as there's no one way to delete all messages at once. And this is how to delete Roblox chat messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.